Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes. Okay, just close your eyes. Take a long, deep breath in and let go. Now, with your eyes comfortably closed, you can put your hands on your heart chakra. You know where your heart chakra is, it's in the center of your chest. Taking your attention to your breathing, observing how every breath is coming in and going out. Just repeat with me. I love myself. I embrace all my imperfections. Rather, I realized today that I am not imperfect. I am unique. I am different. And that I was judging as my imperfection is actually my gift, or a tunnel, a way to a new reality, a way to a new possibility. I am not going to strive for perfection from today. I am not going to wait for perfection from today. I am not going to judge myself for what I think or others told are imperfect in me. I'm going to embrace all of that, and I am going to choose to be happy. I am going to choose to embrace myself with everything I am. I am beautiful. I am amazing. I am perfect the way I am and the way I am not. And if someone has a problem with it, It is their problem, not my problem anymore. As I am in love with me and I embrace all my imperfections, which are actually my gifts. I thank my angels for all the wonderful possibilities that are showing up in my life. I thank my angels for making this possible, for making me choose to connect with them and receive these pearls of wisdom. And I now allow my angels to contribute to me, to remind me if I ever forget this and begin judging myself. I give my angels the permission to send me reminders to love myself unconditionally, to embrace my imperfections unconditionally. Thank you. Keeping your eyes closed, observe your body sensations. Observe how your breaths are going in and out. Observe your body right from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. And allow yourself to connect with the Mother Earth. Pull the energy from the earth to your feet, all the way up through every cell of your body, your calves, your knees, your thighs, your hips, your genitals, your entire digestive system, your lower back, your chest, your upper back, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your fingers, your neck, your face, your head, your forehead, top of the head. Allow yourself to be connected with the Mother Earth. The more you allow yourself to connect with the earth, the more you receive. What many people don't know or don't realize is that we all have a mother always taking care of us, and she is always providing to us whether we are receiving or willing to receive or not. And how happy a mother is when the child receives happily. Money is an element of this reality. You know, in tarot, we say Pentacles is the earth element. Such a beautiful secret hidden in the book of tarot. The more you allow yourself to connect with the earth, the more money you receive with ease. It can be that easy. Just allow yourself to receive from the Mother Earth. And now expand yourself energetically and connect with the sky and the universal energy beyond all the skies, and allow yourself to pull the energy from the universe, from every molecule of the universe into your body. Let the universe be your dad. When you have the whole universe as your father and this amazing Mother Earth as your mother, why worry? Why bother? Why depend on others? Let's just receive. Allow yourself to release any and all the energy blockages that may have been created in this life or any other lifetime that creates a separation between you and your universal father energy and your earth mother energy. Let all those separations dissolve and allow yourself to receive from the universe and the Mother Earth. Again, thank your angels, thank the Mother Earth, thank the universe, and slowly and gradually, whenever you feel comfortable, you can take your hands down, take a long deep breath in and relax. Rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and slowly and gradually, whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax, and just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.